Hello everybody to lesson 43 of JavaScript for Active Design course. In this lesson we will know the browser info. We will know how to get the system, the info of the system, the Windows type, the platform but that you use it, the version of the browser, the cookies that the user have it, the JavaScript, is it enabled or disabled, and also we will get the browser engine. We will know these things now. So let's go and see what we have. So first of all, I will go to the code. I will create here a simple button. I'll call it, for example, let's see, button, and I'll call it on click. We will call function. I'll call this function my function, and here we are closing. I'll say get info. Okay, so great. Now I will create here a function which we call it my function. I will copy it. Let's change this to capital. Then I will see copy. Let's see function, and over here I will call it my function. Great. So now here I will alert, or I will print to the web page the info I wanted. For example, here I will say the browser cookie. Okay, let's know how the browser cookie is enabled or not. It will return true if it is enabled, else it will return false. So I will say alert, and over here I will say the info, then plus. I will say navigator dot cookie enabled. Cookie enabled returns whether true or false. If the cookie is enabled, it will return true, else it will return false. So when I click get info, it will return the info true. So true means the cookie is enabled. Great. Save it, refresh at that time. So now the cookie info true means the cookie is enabled. Okay, the second thing that I could get is, let's say, the language of the browser. Okay, let's say that we have the language of the browser. Let's know what is it. I will say navigator dot language. Save it and we refresh. We will get the language is English United States. Great. The second element that we could get is the version of the browser we have it. I will say navigator, then Java. Let's get the Java enabled or not. Java enabled. Save it, and when we refresh, it's false. Java is enabled? No, Java is not enabled. So Java enabled returns true if it is enabled, and false, it means that it's not enabled, and in our case it's not enabled. Also, we could get the browser the browser version. We could get the browser version with the navigator.app version. So here we'll see navigator.app version. Save it. When we refresh, we will get the version of our our browser, which is 5.0, which is in Windows. Great. Which is Firefox. I have Firefox. The second is the browser platform, means in which platform he is using. For example, I will see browser platform. Let's see navigator platform. He will print window, which our platform now is window. So look, it's window 3.31. Okay, so the next element would be the browser version, which we will know which version we have. So it's navigator app version, and we have, for example, the browser engine, which means returns the product name of the browser engine. For example, in our case, he will return the I think the Firefox. Let's see, we'll have it navigator. Then you could see all of these things over here. It's platform, app version, Java enabled, language, cookie enabled, and all these things is talking about how to deal with the browser you have it. For example, I will see product. Let's see over there, it's product. save it. When we refresh, it will get what? It will give us the product, which is Deco. I don't know what's the meaning of product. I mean, it returns the engine of the browser that we have it. The name of the the browser, we could get it with the app code name. So I'll see dot, sorry, what I have did. So let's delete this product and see dot app code name. It's here, app name, app code name. So the app code name will returns the browser name, which is in our case it's Mozilla. Great. So this was the element that I have it, and you could try them all. For example, you could write navigator, then you write dot, then you will get the element you want. For example, here app name to returns the the Netscapes, which return it for the Chrome, the Safari, the Firefox. It returns the same element. So you could try all these things. You could write only dot and see what you have over there, and you could try them one by one. So thanks for listening and watching. This was the lesson for this session. See you in the next. Bye.